Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Smart Assistants. Then tap on One-Handed Mode and choose Mini Screen View. Following that, tap on the gray sweater next to Mini Screen View to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Slide your finger across the navigation bar to switch between the standard and mini screen views. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. But you can always go back by tapping on this dark area. If you want to disable it completely, tap on the same no blue sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!